Okay, so here's some just quick examples as to how we can simplify limits using the properties we talked about in the previous videos. So on this first one, we've got the limit of a sum, so we're going to go ahead and separate that as follows. There we go. Now from our given information, we know that this right here is -1. And from our initial theorems, we have the limit of a constant. We know that that's just going to be 5. And so this is equal to 4. Okay, on the next one, we have the limit as x approaches a of f of x cubed, which we can rewrite as the limit as x approaches a of f of x, the entire thing cubed. Now we know that this much right here is equal to 2, so this is equal to 2 cubed, or 8. Okay, here's 3 more to look at. So on this first one, we split it up like so. From our theorems, we know that this part of it is a, and from our given information, we know that this part is equal to -1. So the result of this problem is -a. Okay, kind of speeding things up here, we can rewrite number 4 like this. And this is what ends up happening. You can see here that we're going to have division by 0. Okay, so the problem here is that the property does not hold. In other words, if you go back to what we talked about earlier, in a previous video, we saw that this division property was only true provided that the denominator was not 0. So it's not necessarily that the limit doesn't exist, we just really don't know. We just don't have enough information about it, and the problem really can't be done in this way, so we're just going to say that this is inconclusive. So unfortunately, our use of the properties didn't pay off on this one. Okay, finally on this last one, I've already got it's split up using the limit properties. Okay, note the underlined limit there, that's one of the initial ones that we talked about. So this guy ends up being equal to -4 minus a, or -a minus 4, however you want to write it. Finally, we have one more, and it's just going to be the difference of these two limits. So it's just going to be 2 minus -1, or 3. Okay, that's pretty much it for today. Hope that this was helpful and informative. Good luck on the exercises, and we'll talk again soon.